Good day, Mommy Evasco. I am Rachel O. Treyes from BSM1 Black A. So today, I will be reciting to you an acrostic point of mine. Numbers in nature. Uncertain what it means. Multiplication is for geometric sequence. Bar graph is for comparing. Each of these I remember. Rules are used in mathematics. Sequences includes arithmetic. Indefinite solving I expect. Numerous equations I can say I'm not the best. Notebooks and pens take us of the rest. An aid when teachers give a test. To read is not enough. Understanding it might be the best. Rational reason it is. Explain with letters, now you know what I meant.